press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, today I am continuing the yesterday's class in data handling. In yesterday's class we did the introduction for data handling and exercise also we started in yesterday's class. We two problems also we did the, just I am continuing with that exercise. What is the third question means? Find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. Find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. What are whole numbers? The numbers which are start from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to dash dash infinity are known as whole numbers. What they are asking us to do in this problem means find the mean of first 5 whole numbers. Okay, what are the first 5 whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 5, just that only had to write here. The first 5 whole numbers. Maybe in sometimes they will ask first 10 whole numbers mean, like that also they can ask. The first 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct children? What they are asking us to do, we have to find the mean. Mean is nothing but arithmetic mean. A-M. What is the formula to find the arithmetic mean? Sum of the observations, sum of the first 5. First arithmetic mean genu, sum of the observations divided by total number of observations. Here according to these situation, just what we have to write, sum of first 5 whole numbers divided by number of whole numbers we are going to take. Total number of whole numbers we are going to take. Sum of first 5 whole numbers divided by sum of first 5 whole numbers divided by total number of observations. Total number of observations. Okay, sum of first 5 whole numbers is this one. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by total number of observations. Total number of observation means that we have to take the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise, first 5 anta. Okay, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10 divided by 5. 1s are 2s are 2. Therefore, 2 is arithmetic or mean, you can directly. Mean of first 5 whole numbers. Whole numbers. First 5 whole numbers. And then just I am moving with the second problem. If they asked you to do the arithmetic mean of first 5 natural numbers means we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. Fourth question. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. Eight innings alli ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಅವರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. We have to find the mean of that score. The score is like this: 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0, 100. Find the mean. Find the mean. First we have to write the score. The score of cricketer in 8 innings is given. The score of like that, whatever the information is there, that you have to write, and then you have to write total. Just first write the given. Given the score of cricketer in 8 innings. The score of cricketer in 8 innings. What is the score? 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0, 100. 0, 100. And then to find the mean, what information we need to know? Some of the total scores and number of scores are there individually. First you have to write that one. Okay. Total runs scored by cricketer in the innings. Total sum of total runs scored by cricketer in 8 innings. In 8 innings. 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100. What is 58 plus 76? 134. 134 plus 40? 174. 174 plus 35? 209. 209 plus 46? 158. 150. Sorry. 58 plus 76? 100. Here, illige namge 255. 255 agutte. And then 45, 300. 300 plus 100, 400. 400. Total number of innings. How many innings are there? 8 innings. Total number of innings. How many innings are there? 8 innings. Now what we have to find? Mean. Therefore, mean equals to total runs scored by sum of total runs scored by cricketer in 8 innings. Divided by 8. Sorry. Total number of innings. Total number of innings. Total number of innings. Sum of total runs scored ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 400 divided by 8 ones are 50s are mean ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 50. Therefore 50 is the mean of the cricketers scored in 8 innings. Okay, just move on to the next question, people. Here one table they have given about player A, player B and player C. First you have to see the tabular form information keenly, and then you have to answer the questions given below. Fifth one. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. The points of each player scored in 4 games. Player A, B, C. Game 1, Game 2, Game 3, Game 4. Okay, see here children, the points of the following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. Here the table will shows the player performances of A, B and C. In game 1, player A scored 14 and player B scored score of 0 and C 8, and in game 2 A played 60, B played 8 and C played 11. In game 3 A played 10, B played 6 and C didn't participate. And in game 4 A played 10, B played 4 and C played 13. By seeing the table we have the information like this. Now we have to answer the following questions. Now answer the following questions. 4 questions they have given below that you have to answer. Okay children, see here. Find the mean to determine is find the means to determine is average number of points scored per game. Here see here what they are asking. By seeing the above table, find the mean to determine A's average number to points scored per game. Mean ನಾವು just A player performance ಗೆ mean ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. To take the average, average is nothing but arithmetic mean, correct? To take the average, we have to check the average of A player. We have to find the arithmetic mean. By observing above table, player A score is 14, 16, 10 and 10. What they are asking us to find? Average of player A. That means arithmetic mean of player A. Mean is equals to total points scored by player A in 4 games. Total sum of total points scored by player A in 4 games. Divided by number of games. Sum of the total points scored by player A in 4 games andre ivelladunu add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 4. 14 plus 16 30, 30 plus 10 40, 40 plus 10 50 by 40. 50 by 30, 50 by 4. 1s are 8, 8 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ just 12.5. 12.5 points is the arithmetic mean of, therefore ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಬರೀರಿ. Therefore 12.5 is the arithmetic mean of player A. And then second question. To finish the mean number, to finish to find the mean, ಕೇದೆಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ರಿ. To find the mean number of points per game, C, would you divide the total points? Would you divide the total points by 3 or 4? Why? 3 or 4? Why? Here the question, what in the question they are telling? To find the mean number of points per game C, would you divide the total points by 3 or 4? Why? When you are doing the player C arithmetic mean, just by 4 or by 3 we are going to divide. How many games are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. But you have to consider in how many games he participated. 1, 2, 3. Game 3, he didn't participate. That's why we have to divide the given by 3. By solution you have to write 2. Find the mean of player C. We have to divide by 3 because game 3 he didn't play because player C didn't play game C. To find the mean of player C, we have to divide by 3 because the player C did not play game C. Because he didn't play game C. Correct? Just move on to the next question. B played in all 4 games. B played in all 4 games. How would you find the mean? See here, we played in all 4 games. How would you find the mean? How would you find the mean? Here, just you have to write the score of player B in all 4 games. The score of player B in player B is 0, 8, 6, 4. 0, 8, 6, 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಐತೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೀನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ divided by number of games played. Sum of total is nothing but 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 divided by is to games 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus, 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 divided by 4. 1s are 4 4s are 16. 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. 2 will be remains there. 25, 4.5. B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4.5. Just move on to the next question in this only. What does the question mean? Who is the best performer? 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 We already know the team A average, player A average and player B average as 12.5 and 4.5. Now, player C average we have to find to compare the performance of player A, player B and player C. We have that only. Just I am writing. We have to find the mean of player C to find the best performer. To find the best performer. To find the best performer. Mean of player C. Directly I am writing here, children. 8 plus 11 plus 13. You have to write total sum of total score of player C divided by number of games he played. Divided by 3. Number of games he played. 1, 2 did not play and just you no need to consider this one. This one is fourth one. So third one. 8 plus 11, 19. 19 plus 13. 19 plus 13. 32. 32 divided by 3. 1s are 1, 0, 6. 10.6 something it will come. Average of player C is 10.6. In question first and third, the performances of A and B we know. That's why just put it once and then we can easily, by seeing these and these, we can easily tell that player is getting an average of 12.5. That's why player A is the best performer. By observing player A 12.5, player B 4.5, player C 10.6, player C 10.6. Correct, children? By observing these three, we can tell that. Player A is having a highest mean. Player A is of average of player A is an average of 12.5 points. 12.5 points, which is more than average andrenu, mean andrenu unde, which is more than average of player B and player C, which is more than player A and player C. Therefore, who is the best performer? Therefore, player A clearly, player A is the Best performer. Best performer. Okay children, in this question what we do? Only arithmetic means of each player. That means player A, player B and player C. Arithmetic means we did, and whatever there is in the question, just read them properly and understand the logic in the question, and then you have to solve the question. Okay children? A, B, C. Here just you have to be clear. Here didn't play his way, that's why divided by 4 Akbardu divided by 3, because in a game 3 he didn't participate. Here therefore at last we got the means of player A and player B and player C as 12.5, 4.5 and 10.6 respectively. That's why the player A is an average of 12.5, which is more than player B and player C. Clearly we can dictate that player A is the best performance of that innings. Okay children, thanks. Thank you for listening.